Say it again. Mm-hmm. And do the next word. Do the next word. This is the next word, Alana. Keep going. Keep going. Alright, now you can help her read it, AJ. So what does it say, Alana?
Mother, can you read the word all by yourself? I don't know.
Can you say it by yourself, Alana?
1, 2, 3.
No. Say the word, not the rest.
Mommy, I think
Hey, Kaylin.
say the word. Can you
Okay.
say? My eyes are gone.
Your eyes are gone? Oh, I think Alana's done. Put the bookmark in there, AJ. Were you helping her read?
Yeah.
What about you, Kaylin? Were you helping her read?
Yeah.
Alana, did you read?
Yeah.
Oh, look at me. Did you read?
Yeah.